Hi, I'm Deb Kelch from Finish Well Health Coaching. Today I'm going to show you an older video that I shot maybe last winter, unboxing of Fresh and Lean. Sorry about the sound, but I live close to a freeway and I shot the video outside. So I hope this helps if you're trying to decide on a meal prep. So let's get to it. Hey, today we're going to unbox Fresh and Lean. This is an organic meal service. I have not tried it yet. We're going to see what we have here in this box. Okay, they sent me a wine voucher. So it's frozen with these freeze packs. We have sesame garlic chicken with meatballs. These are the ingredients. And this is what it looks like. So the portion size really looks kind of small here. We have beef sloppy joe and mushroom roll. Let's see. There's another cold pack and another cold pack. We have, there's another cold pack. Seafood carbonara. Okay. This has shrimp and peas and a cream sauce and it looks like some noodles. I have to say these portion sizes look very small. Let's see. Let's see how much is in here. These are not frozen. These are shipped fresh. Got these for my meal preps for the week, so I wouldn't have to cook. So you could just pop these in the microwave or the oven. There's a lot of plastic on here too. This one is New York strip with mashed sweet potatoes and roasted Brussels sprouts. What I like about these meal services, you can count your carbs and all your macros while you're choosing your meals. And then when the meals come, you won't have to worry so much about it. That's all that's in here. This is how it's packaged. Got some insulation here. This one is cheesy jalapeno chicken broccoli casserole. I will show this to you. There's the label, and it looks like this. Now, I might have to do a follow-up on here because I have obviously not tried these yet. But the steak is a premium meal, so it costs a little bit more than the others. I still don't see where it tells you how many ounces are in here. But there you go, Fresh and Lean. We'll see how it works. So I just wanted to do a little update on the Fresh and Lean. I found the meals to be delicious. I especially liked the steak. but the portion sizes were very small. I could have just as easily eaten 2 of these meals, but the ingredients I was really impressed with. So I've also tried Factor 75, which I really enjoyed, and the portion sizes were a little bit bigger on that one, but you have to watch. They're starting to sneak some things in there that I don't really care for. So always read the label. Things change over time. So there you have it, my assessment on Fresh and Lean. Would I buy it again? Maybe, but it's kind of pricey for the portion size that you get. I hope that helped.